Now, in the first problem here, we want to find out how long it will take for $12.50 to be borrowed at that 7% before the interest exceeds $400. So I'll put that into the equation. I is equal to PRT, and I'll transpose it as I go. So end up with 4.57 years. Now, in this instance, that's clearly just over 6 months. So in other words, 4 years is 7 months to exceed. In a similar way, we can work the next problem. Now, if you're going to grow to 8,000, that tells me the interest is equal to 8,000. Take 6,000, which is 2,000, which I'll put into the equation. That's 4.167 years. So on my calculator, 4.167 by 12 gives me 50 months. So to convert years to months, of course, we multiply by 12. So in the next part of this section, I've got a 5,000 loan over 18 months, including interest 6,200. So in other words, the interest earned 6,200, take 5,000 is 1,200, I should say. The time, 18 over 12, 1.5 years. Now plug that into the equation, and what I'll have in the next step is 1,200 is equal to 7,500 times R. Which gives me 0.16 or 16%. Now that's quite a high interest rate. The last part of this concerns a payday loan. Now payday loans are really nasty. They're a very short-term loan offered to people with secure employment over a very short term. Payday because they directly take it out of your bank account when you're paid. The total of interest that she's charged just for 2 months is $170. The time, 0.16667. So if we plug that into the equation, we get the following. And believe it or not, 156.9% interest. In reality, payday loans can exceed 200% interest, but they're unsecured, and the people lending them to generally people with higher risk factors.